Alright, it's like 2 a.m. right now, and Philip is raiding the fridge.
I need more food.
But more than anything, we want to let you hear what Ross sounds like when he snores, because it shakes the house. Check it out.
After I get the ham.
That looks good. Shh. Listen to this. That is ridiculous. He snores and shakes the entire house. Anyway, Phil, food tastes good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We're back in London, hanging out. Phil just finished his Paris trip. He had more fun than I did while in London. Anyway, all right. Peace out.